Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to I Heart Carpentry. Today I'm going to show you how I built this portable and collapsible 3.5 by 8 foot workbench using 3 DeWalt sawhorses, 1 sheet of plywood, and some hardwood, all for under 150 bucks. Stay tuned. I started by cross-cutting and ripping all 4 tabletop pieces to size. Next, I ripped the support edges that hold the tabletop in place. After ripping everything to size, I clamped and screwed the pieces together. I clamped all the pieces together so the glue could dry. Here I did a quick test run to see how all the pieces fit together. Next, I routed a 1/4 inch slot for the interlocking tongue and groove system I chose to support each tabletop fused to each other. I then measured for the tongue and ripped poplar hardwood strips on the table saw. I glued the strips into the slot and let them dry for an hour before test fitting. As you can see, everything fit nice, tight, and square. I ripped more 1/4 inch poplar pieces for the edges and sides. Next, I carefully sanded all the plywood edges, glued and nailed the 1/4 inch pieces to all 4 sides of each tabletop piece. I sanded smooth all the edges with 220 grit sandpaper and gave a nice final finish. I also spray painted the support pieces to match the DeWalt stand. Let's now assemble it one more time so you can see how simple the process. The beauty of this piece is that it could also be used as a 3.5 foot by 4 foot workbench. As you can see, once put away, it folds up nicely in the corner. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.